Imagine that you studied all night for an exam, and when the result comes out, you are seeing an E. It can be very painful. It can even make you not want to study again. But this is what comes with failure. In this video, I'm going to be giving 6 steps. This is going to help you develop a very strong mindset. Number 1 thing, accept and feel it. Now, failure can be very painful, I tell you, but you have to accept that, okay, this has happened. This has happened. This is going to open your mind to seeing how to solve this problem. As much as failure can be traced to something else or somebody else, ask yourself this question: if I blame somebody for failing, do I also blame them for not failing? The next thing you should do, analyze this failure. You have to see reasons why this happened. If you don't see the reasons, there's no way you can prefer a solution to this problem. Every failure is a part of some unnoticed mistakes. Now you have to go back to, why was I studying? Did I really understand this study material? Or I was just reading? Was I reading to remember, or I was just going over the material? Now, if you are able to answer these questions, you provide blunt solutions to these problems. You've watched so far into the video, and I'm very certain that your mind is becoming open. I want you to subscribe to this channel. It is decisions like this that will make you become that person you're trying to become. And also share this video to your friends. The next thing to do is a very important step. Seek help early. Please don't wait until it is 2 days to the exam before you start looking for somebody that's going to teach you calculus. You cannot understand nothing in 2 days time. You start early to go over problems. You have tools like ChatGPT. Use them, make use of them to understand concepts better. Next thing to do, which is very critical, this is going to solidify whatever plans you've made. This is building new habits. Spending hours mindlessly scrolling on social media, binge watching movies, playing games every time. These are habits that have put you where you were already. Now, if you want to live this lifestyle, assuming that you want to become a new person, you have to drop those habits and replace them with habits that fit the kind of person you are trying to become. The next step builds on what we just talked about, which is set specific goals. Saying I want to get an A this semester in all my courses, that is very broad. There's a reason why your academic journey is broken into semesters and your courses are broken into topics. It is for you to understand each topic. Now, leveraging the understanding of each topic is going to give you that just understanding a couple of topics. Let's say 8 topics for each course. Now, understanding 8 topics for each course gives you an A. That will start with a fresh mindset. Your mind is a very powerful part of your existence. You are not your past. Use that as fail, not as a label. You don't have to label yourself a failure because you failed once or twice or how many times. I want you to understand that every time you fail is a way of learning new ways to not fail. With this, I'm going to wrap this video, and I hope that you're going to start taking decisions that will help you become a better person in your academics and in life generally. You've watched so far